Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate inbound marketing with HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate inbound marketing with HubSpot, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the main dashboard. From there, select the Lead Capture option. Choose Forms to create a new form for collecting leads. Click on the Create Form button to start. Select the type of form you want to create, whether it's a standalone page or an embedded form. Add the necessary fields to your form, such as name, email, and message. Customize the form's design to match your brand's style. Once your form is complete, save and publish it. Next, go to the Workflows section under the Automation tab. Click on Create Workflow to set up your automation. Select a blank workflow or choose a template that suits your needs. Define the trigger for your workflow, such as form submissions. Choose the form you created earlier as your trigger event. Add actions to your workflow, like sending a welcome email to new leads. You can also assign tasks to team members based on certain criteria. Once you have set up your actions, review the workflow for accuracy. Activate your workflow to start automating your inbound marketing. Next, visit the email section to create marketing emails. Design a new email that aligns with your marketing goals. Personalize your email content to engage your audience effectively. Schedule your email to be sent at optimal times based on your audience's behavior. To monitor the success of your automation, navigate to the Reports section. Analyze key metrics such as open rates and conversion rates. Adjust your strategy based on the insights gained from these reports. Continue refining your workflows and emails to enhance engagement. With these steps, your inbound marketing efforts in HubSpot are now automated and optimized for success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.